Good evening students. Good evening to all. Students, today I will explain simple trick for bond order calculation in diatomic molecules having 10 to 20 electrons. Now students, in this concept there are two technical terms. One is bond order, other one is diatomic. Now students, what is bond order and what is diatomic, and what is the meaning of bond order and what is the meaning of diatomic? Now first of all, bond order. What is bond order? Students, bond order is nothing but number of bonds between two atoms in a molecule. For example students, in hydrogen molecule, between the two hydrogen atoms only one bond is present. That's why the bond order in hydrogen molecule 1. Next one, for oxygen molecule, between the two oxygen atoms there are two bonds are present. So that's why the bond order of that is for oxygen atom, oxygen molecule, that is bond order 2. Next one students, in nitrogen molecule, between the two nitrogen atoms there are three bonds are present. So that's why the bond order for N2 molecule is 3. So this is bond order. So bond order is nothing but number of bonds between two atoms in a molecule. Next one students, atomicity. Students, atomicity is nothing but number of atoms present in given molecule. Number of atoms. For example students, helium molecule formula He. So the number of helium atoms 1. So that's why atomicity 1. This is monoatomic molecule. Next one students, oxygen gas, oxygen molecule formula O2. The number of atoms present in oxygen molecule 2. So this is the atomicity of oxygen 2. So which is diatomic. So diatomic means students the number of atoms present in given molecule 2. The type of molecules are diatomic molecules. Next one, ozone contains 3 oxygen atoms, the bond order 3. So this is triatomic molecule. Where in the case of phosphorus, the number of phosphorus atoms 4. This is the tetraatomic molecule. In the case of sulfur, the number of sulfur atoms in a sulfur molecule 8. That indicates octatomic molecule. So this is about bond order and also atomicity. Now students, the simple trick to find out the bond order calculation in diatomic molecules. What is our simple trick? Students, the simple trick is 14 electron plus or minus rule. 14 plus or minus, and 14 electron plus or minus rule. So what is the meaning of 14 plus or minus rule? Here students, 14 indicates the total number of electrons present in diatomic molecule. 14 electrons indicates the bond order 3. 14 plus 1 means 15 electrons, or minus 1 means 13 electrons. Then 0.5 units decreased from the bond order 3. So that is 2.5, 2.5. So next one, 14 plus 2 and 14 minus 2, and 16 electrons and also 12 electrons. Again 0.5 units decreased from 2.5, that is equal to 2. So next one, 14 plus 3, 17 electrons. 14 minus 3, that is 11 electrons. The bond order 1.5. Next one, 14 plus 4 and 14 minus 4 indicates 18 electrons, 10 electron diatomic species. The bond order 1. So this is the 14 plus or minus rule. And now students, by using this simple trick, and that is 14 plus or minus rule, how can we calculate the bond order in 10 to 20 electron diatomic molecules? So now students, for example, nitrogen molecule. Students, nitrogen molecule is the diatomic molecule. For this diatomic molecule, our simple trick is applied. For example, nitrogen molecule having nitrogen atoms, nitrogen atom atomic number 7. So students, total number of electrons is nothing but sum of the atomic numbers. So now students, two nitrogen atoms are present in nitrogen molecule. That's why each nitrogen atomic number 7. So 7 plus 7, the total number of electrons 14 electrons. That's why 14 electrons indicates, by using our simple trick, 14 electrons indicates bond order for nitrogen molecule 3. So nitrogen having 3 bonds, and that is the number of bonds between the two nitrogen atoms 3. So that's why the bond order 3 for nitrogen molecule. So this bond order 3 by using our simple trick. Okay, next one students. Second example, oxygen molecule. Oxygen molecule. Students, in oxygen molecule, the oxygen atoms atomic number 8. So there are two oxygen atoms, 8 plus 8, 16 electrons. So that's why students, this 16 is nothing but 14 plus 2, and 14 plus 2 means the bond order 2. So for 16 electron, the bond order 2. So that's why students, between the two oxygen atoms, there are 2 bonds are present. So this is the oxygen molecule. Okay, next one students, next example, fluorine molecule. Fluorine molecule, F2. Students, in fluorine molecule, the fluorine atoms, atomic number 9. So there are 2 fluorine atoms are present. 9 plus 9, that equal to 18 electrons. 18 is the 14 plus 4, that is bond order 1. So bond order 1 indicates between the 2 fluorine atoms there is only 1 bond is present. Next one students, this simple trick can also applied for 10 to 20 electron charged species. For example, positively charged species like N2 plus. What is the bond order of N2 plus species? Now students, here positive charge indicates loss of electrons. Here 1 plus indicates loss of 1 electron. Here also nitrogen atomic number 7. So there are 2 nitrogen atoms, and 7 plus 7. Here there is a additional positive charge is present, that indicates loss of 1 electron means minus 1. So that is 14 minus 1, 13 electrons. 13 electrons means 14 minus 1. So that equal to the 14 plus or minus rule, that is our simple trick. 14 minus 1, that is 13 electrons. Bond order 3. So bond order 2.5. That's all. So next one students. Next example, in negatively charged species like Cl minus. What is the bond order in Cl minus? Here also students, minus indicates gain of 1 electron. So that's why carbon atomic number 6, nitrogen atomic number 7. So 6 plus 7, minus indicates by gain of 1 electron, and addition of 1 electron plus 1, that equal to 14 electrons. By using our simple trick, 14 electrons indicates bond order 3. So this is the simple trick to find out the diatomic bond order calculation in diatomic molecules for 10 to 20 electrons, either neutral species and also as well as charged species. Students, I hope you understand this concept students, and also simple trick. Now students, test yourself question and please answer the question and also comment. That is, test yourself question. Calculate bond order. Calculate bond order in O2 plus, O2 minus, N2 minus and CO. Okay students, I hope you understand this concept students. Thank you to all.